Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I am presenting this Range Rover 3 litre D300 Westminster. This Range Rover is finished in the very eye-catching Portofino Blue and comes with the privacy glass, giving the ultimate finish. Every journey is made simple with the keyless entry, and moving straight inside we've got some fantastic features on the door card, including the memory seat functions and Meridian sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music and podcasts. These are the Light Oyster leather front seats, and there is a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. Ahead is your driver's display. This vehicle comes with a very well presented dashboard with 2 touchscreens, and perfect for those hot and sunny days, we have the centre console cooling compartment. On the first touchscreen there is your climate controls, heated seat controls, and various vehicle drive modes. Moving up to the second touchscreen, we have the rear camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, and much more. Personalise the interior of this vehicle with the configurable cabin lighting, allowing you to change the colour of the interior lights. The leather interior continues into the back, and there is a very luxurious feel for your rear passengers. We also have the heated rear seats and 4-zone climate controls to make sure they are comfortable at all times. The rear seats are also electric, and on the door card there is controls for the blinds. This Range Rover comes with a vast amount of boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping, and on the side you also have the electric seat controls and air suspension controls. This vehicle also features the powered tailgates, making access in and out very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Westminster, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.